This is why we are calling on Canada to work with our international allies to end the bloodshed. New Democrats continue to call for an immediate release of all hostages, the protection of all civilians, and an end to the siege and bombardment of Gaza, and for humanitarian aid to reach civilians urgently and without restriction. International law must be upheld and respected. Make no mistake, collective punishment is a violation of this law. Canada must insist that all those who broke these laws are held accountable, even those nations we have called friends. Canada must call for a ceasefire to end the killing of innocent civilians in Gaza immediately. We cannot allow for the continuing dehumanization of an entire population. When we stop seeing each other as humans, when we stop believing that each life has value, this is when the seeds of genocide take hold. These are dark days, and the weeks ahead are likely to bring even more anguish. But we can never surrender to despair. And we can never forget that we share a collective humanity and a collective responsibility to protect all people from violence and terror. Thank you.